Ma'am, ano po ang inyong sana? Sana ang mga tao ay parang cellphone, kusang namamatay kapag nagloloko.
Isa lang ang sigurado sa buhay, ang karma ay parang pelikula o kung hindi pa now showing, malamang coming soon. Kaya piliin mong maging mabuti sa lahat.
Remember, the world does not reward overly shy men. It's a cruel world if you're overly introvert person. Master public speaking, networking, and how to talk to strangers.
The one who chases two rabbits, catches none.
If you want to live more, just always follow your wife's advice. Make her always right.
Always remember, if you are the smartest person in the room, then you are in the wrong room.
Hindi naman pwede na mabait ka sa ibang tao tapos sa asawa mo lagi kang galit. Hindi naman fair yun.
Sabi ng anak ko, 2 standby ang bumatak sa boyfriend niya. Nakakapagtaka, 3 ang binayaran ko eh.